Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and those who are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. So like I said in my last videos that I have varieties of tin fish, so I'm going to make a series of tin fish recipe. Well, today I'm also here with another tin fish recipe, and today I'm going to make tin fish with banana flour. Tin fish with banana flour. So in my last video somebody commented that why don't you make a tin fish with banana flour. So when I was reading his suggestion and his comment, it reminded me of my dad making this recipe. He used to make this recipe and he's a very good cook. Whenever he cooks food in our house, like, we will really enjoy it and we'll eat it from our whole heart. So he was a very good cook. Yeah, let me tell you that just last week of May, my dad left us and he's no more with us. And yeah, due to some traveling restriction, also restriction of entry in our place, I couldn't go. I couldn't see him for the last time. I couldn't attend the funeral also. But I believe that my dad is in heaven. He is enjoying with the Lord and our Maker. He is free from all pain and all suffering. And I have a hope that one day I will see him in heaven. So yeah, that's it. And a big shout out to Alangchar Ao for reminding me and for suggesting me to cook this recipe. First we'll clean this one. So there are so many layers. So first pilai dibi. You can remove the 2-3 layers, and after that you can use it for cooking. And in the way now na play dibi knife pa niya purbi aro ina na ulai dibi. Just hold it like this. Don't cut it fully. Just hold it like this, then it will all come out. After removing it, keep it in a clean water. If you are not keeping it in a clean water, these flowers will become black color. Pacha then idu sabse middle wala do mon kol phul laga moon goi. So idu kol phul laga moon ase. Idu de so that's all. See this. So this is clean now. Let me show you the rest of the ingredients. Very few ingredients, just this green chilies, ginger, tin fish and salt. So green chilies to the chopper de hali dibo. By the way, one more ingredient is there, like I will show you afterwards. Slice the ginger aro green chilies to hali se jai dubra chop lo. By the way, if you want to buy this chopper, then link is in the description box. You can buy it from there. Itya main kam do kuru. Cooking shuru. Tinda glass pani. Are the green chili and ginger to hali dibe. we'll bring this to a boil. Water is boiling nicely. Now we will add this banana flour. Like 10-15 minutes we will cook this banana flour. We will add some salt. Remember, as I have mentioned in my previous video, that in the tin fish already the salt is added, so just add a little bit. So it's soft now, it's nicely cooked. Now I'm going to remove little bit of banana flour and I'll mash it, so just to make it a little bit thicker. It's not necessary to remove and mash it, it's just optional. So I'll keep it aside. Then I'm going to add one more ingredient, that is fermented bamboo shoot. Banana flour ro bhalra cook hwa bisire you can add this fermented bamboo shoot. Right after adding the fermented bamboo shoot, don't stir it. Chalo 2-3 minutes now hoise. It will be mashed kori dise moi. You can put it back. If you want to make it like a chutney, like you can mash all the banana flours also. So it's totally up to you. Banana flour bhalra cook hoise. Now it's time to add the tin fish. So today I'm using this tuna. पानी हालिकन अलप खिलाइदिबी. As you can see, big pieces there আছে. So ido alop kona break kori dibo. Okay, now we will cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Well guys, it's been like 4 to 5 minutes. See, one ball roll jaise. Pani bhi suki jaise. Now off the flame and it's ready to eat. My cooking is done and I'm ready to eat. So this is our recipe: tin fish with banana flour, lauki boil kurise, and just simple and plain rice. This is how I eat. Two like tin fish to second tasty other. But frankly saying, like Mohan Nagaland di ban isna or northeastern states de ban isna do banana flour do taste tolop alag ase. However, fish tin do iman bhal ase and fish tin la taste pura banana flour ki taste kori dise. So banana flour ki jane kundu jat laga flour aje ko bana pare, but still then I got it in Gurgaon, so it's a big thing. Banana flour और tin fish तो एकदम solid there. Well guys, this is so tasty and so nice. Thank you so much, Dad, for teaching me this recipe. I really miss you. We are all missing you. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like watching this video, please give a thumbs up and also hit the notification icon, so whenever I'm uploading a new video you will get the notification. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Tada.